Okay, so when I clean it, I have a dry pan here, and I'm gonna sprinkle some cleaner in there, a pretty good amount. And then I got a wet paper towel, and I'm just gonna turn that into a paste and get it on there really good to where it's not runny. It's a little bit runny, but I'm just gonna kind of coat the affected area and make sure it's pretty thick on there, and then just let it sit. And I would let it sit for about 20 minutes. And then you're gonna take the scrubber and put some more on it after it sits, and then scrub in a circular motion like this and just kind of polish it out. And that'll get it out. But usually I'll put my finger in a paper towel when I'm cleaning it and just kind of go in a circle and get those spots. That's a little bit too runny there, so I'm put a little more in there. Now, for future reference, if you want to get one of those it's called Chore Boy, and you can get the stainless steel one or the copper one, and that's the perfect consistency there. It's a paste. You can scrub with the copper or the metal scrubber, and it won't hurt the pan. So, but I've just got this good coating on here, and this is kind of how it should look when you're cleaning and applying pressure to it. So let me know if you have any other issues with it.